Precision is the foundation of luxury aviation. Here, human expertise meets advanced robotics. The next generation of luxury aviation takes shape.
Precision movement is critical for structures of this scale. All systems are green.
This is a $500 million masterpiece of engineering, and it is being assembled right here in this advanced facility. Behold.
The laser scan shows a minor deviation on vane 42.
Cross-referencing the schematic now. The tolerance is acceptable.
Good. Confirmed for assembly.
The thermal mapping confirms structural integrity.
Acceptable deviation is less than 0.05. It passes.
All parameters are within spec. We are clear for the sequence start.
Confirmed. Laser scan shows 0 anomalies.
Check the T4 levels here.
They're holding steady, well within parameters.
Data logging confirms the profile. Engine trajectory confirmed. Proceed with lowering sequence, slow and steady. Sequence initiated. Clear on my side.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side. Yeah?
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Module seating is complete. All indicators green. Verified against the checklist. Good work.
Cross-referencing flight controls. Overhead panel secure, initiating power-up sequence, everything checks out.
The layout must be perfectly precise.
Every detail is meticulously crafted. Only the finest materials make the cut. This is the pinnacle of luxury.
Welcome to the ultimate flying mansion, where massive lounge areas are carefully positioned, transforming the aircraft into a pure...
Check the readings on the rear fuselage, right here. Looks good. The deviation is minimal.
Look at the fluctuation here on the hydraulic pressure. No, that's within tolerance. The sequence completed successfully.
All green on my side. Baggage door secure, Captain.
Monitor the EGT on the second engine. We're seeing a slight fluctuation. Copy that.
Fuel burn remains steady according to the navigation route projection.
The laser scan shows a minor irregularity on panel 7. Pulling up the ultrasonic data now. It seems consistent with the thermal readings. Check the borescope readings on Sector 3. Tolerances are within limits, but I'm seeing a slight anomaly here. The assembly process combines raw power and precision, culminating in an interior designed for ultimate luxury and comfort.